Creating a captivating YouTube intro is essential for leaving a lasting impression on your viewers. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through designing a professional YouTube intro using Canva, a user-friendly platform that doesn't require advanced design skills. Begin by visiting Canva's YouTube Intro Maker. Here, you'll find a variety of customizable templates tailored for YouTube intros. Browse through the options to find a template that aligns with your channel's theme and style. Once you've selected a template, click on it to open the editor. You can personalize the text to include your channel name and tagline. Adjust the font style, size, and color to match your branding. Additionally, you can upload your own logo or choose from Canva's extensive library of images and graphics to enhance your intro. To make your intro more dynamic, consider adding animations and transitions. Canva offers various animation effects that can be applied to text and elements. Experiment with these features to find the ones that best suit your intro's tone and energy. Adding background music can significantly enhance the impact of your intro. Canva provides a selection of royalty-free music tracks. Choose a track that complements the mood of your intro and adjust the volume to ensure it doesn't overpower the visuals. After customizing your intro to your satisfaction, preview it to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Once you're happy with the result, click on the download button, select the appropriate file format, typically MP4 for video, and save it to your device. Congratulations, you've successfully created a professional YouTube intro using Canva. Remember, the key to a great intro is to keep it concise, engaging, and reflective of your channel's identity. With Canva's intuitive tools, you can easily design intros that captivate your audience and set the tone for your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!